If you want to know how you can turn on or off the water lock feature on your Galaxy Fit 3, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just swipe up and open the app drawer, and in the app drawer, just go to Settings. Under Settings, you will find the option of Advanced Features, just tap on it, and on this page, you will find the option of Water Lock. Just tap on it, then enable this toggle. And by doing that, you will enable the water lock feature. And when the water lock feature is enabled, the touch of the screen will be disabled. Just like that. Now to turn off water lock, just press and hold the side button for 2 seconds. Just like that. And once your band starts vibrating, you will disable the water lock feature on your Galaxy Fit 3. Just like that. And this is how you can turn on or off the water lock feature on your Galaxy Fit 3. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.